Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. This video is really only to let you guys know, if you already couldn't see, that I've made it to 10k subscribers. Congrats to me and thank you to you guys. I remember it was about just a year or so ago that I've just touched 1k, and the fact that I made it to 10 times that amount is honestly bananas. I knew, not to sound arrogant, but I knew it was only, I guess, a matter of time since I reached 10k if I just continued to consistently do the things that I know do well on this channel. That being the artist analysis, but I always sprinkle like videos of my art here and there just to diversify, because I need to still cement that this is an art channel. So if you're gonna see some sketching stuff, maybe some painting, maybe, or like how I do a portraiture, maybe a tutorial here and there. I don't usually like doing tutorials since those are a bit boring, but if you see that stuff here and there, it's only because I want to diversify. Of course, I could always do art analysis all the day long, and I could probably get to 100k in like a year. But that will just ruin me, honestly. I can't keep doing one thing over and over. It's gonna get boring. I'm gonna get not as motivated, and I'm gonna get tired. And yeah, I'm also gonna use this as use these videos, like these milestones, as I guess sort of an update. Twitter, I'm still using Twitter. I usually upload like new books, manga, art books, and that I get, and I usually upload on Twitter since I honestly need a reason to use it, since I don't usually tweet random stuff, and I don't usually retweet unless it's a piece that really resonates with me. So yeah, I'm just using that as a means to, use Twitter. What else? Twitch. I hear people saying that I should try streaming on Twitch. I don't know what it is, but Twitch seems a bit complicated for me. Maybe I'm just old. I don't want that. I don't think that's the case. I guess with time, if I learn how to use Twitch, it will become easier. But I do need to eventually try to stream on Twitch again. I did it a long time ago, but recently I have not. So I might stream one day, and I'll try to let you guys know when that's happening. So yeah. Next, Instagram. I think people from my YouTube channel are following from Instagram, since that hasn't been blowing up, so to speak, but people here and there have been following me, like in small doses. And truth be told, I technically have two Instagrams. The main one, the Namukira one, is sort of my main one with my art, and I sometimes post stories of my life. I do have another one that I will post on the screen. That's my name, Joshua Rickman. That's usually for like more personal, socialized stuff. So if you want to follow it, you can, and you don't have to. In fact, if you really don't care for my outside life, don't follow that. It's literally just food stuff, drink stuff, hanging out stuff, like just real life things that I'm going through. If you don't care for that, again, I totally understand. It's technically pointless. But I do implore that you follow my Namakira channel. That's where my main art goes, and so on and so forth. Patreon. I've been going very slow because usually when the time it takes to edit an artist analysis, it's sort of taking away time from me from doing art. And I'm trying to have my Patreon centered around my art. It's just that I need to find time to put stuff in it that is exclusive enough that people will want to invest money into that to give back. I was thinking maybe exclusive videos, or I'm having videos beforehand that before it reaches the main channel, like have it unlisted. I'm thinking of that. I just need to generate more ideas, ways that it's not too much of a burden to make, but valuable enough that you guys want to see it, and I can make a lot of it. So I just need to find a good, healthy balance of those things to put on my Patreon. And the thing is, I do have good ideas for it. Again, it's just a time constraint, because in real life, I do work 2 jobs, and I'm doing other stuff in real life that's really taking away time for me to work on like social media stuff. Hence why if you see me gone for like a week or two, It's probably because I'm putting a lot of time in the real world and my like job life. So there's that. I think that's all the other social media accounts that I have. I guess I could talk about YouTube for a bit. I need to start using my community page more often. I feel like I forget time and time again that that's a thing that I can use now. And it would be nice to really talk to you guys, honestly. I feel like all I do is upload, go away for a bit, upload, go away for a bit, and like I read the comments here and there, but I feel like I don't really sit down and communicate with my audience, and I really should, considering that I do like it when you guys comment. Although I do want to make a correction for the Yusuke Murata video. One, I don't know why I said 2009 is when Kill la Kill came out. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking of a certain anime that came out in 2009 that was big. I don't know what it was, but I think something came out that year that really blew up the anime like sphere on the internet. Another thing, I completely did not know that Mappa was not going to animate One Punch Man. That was my mistake. I don't know where I saw that. I think it was a rumor or a quote unquote, it was a fake leak, and I think I took that wholesale. And from that point on, I did not know it was like fake. I thought it was true, because at that time Mappa was animating literally everything that was new coming out. So when I heard that it was doing One Punch Man, I guess I was convinced to believe it. My bad. Thank you for the guys in the comments that pointed out any mistakes. I am not perfect, and I'm glad that you guys will call me out for anything that I may have said that wasn't true. Keep doing that. I wish I could pin multiple comments on YouTube, comments, like, so they could see all the things that I got messed up, so other comments won't just say the same things that other people are saying. But yeah, I'm going to do some more art videos in between this one and the next artist analysis, because I need to do more art stuff. I do like painting, I do like drawing, I do like doing digital art here and there, and I do want my channel to sort of be more tangential to like actual art, instead of just, oh, look at this anime artist, look at this manga artist, look at this. Those are fun. I do like doing them, and it sort of keeps it in the realm of art, since I'm not looking at individual anime or manga, which is another thing I need to mention. In that Yusuke Murata artist analysis, when I say savior of anime, I agree with you guys. I don't think anime needs a savior. That was the whole point of the beginning of the video. I think it's pretty weird for anime to have a savior. And those animes that I mentioned, like Attack on Titan or Sword Art Online or No Game No Life, I'm not saying that those are technically good or bad. And to be fair, I usually keep my opinions of anime out of these videos. I only keep my opinions of the art itself. Hence why for Tetsuya Nomura, I could go on all day about how bad the story Kingdom Hearts is, but I'm not talking about the story. I'm talking mainly about the art exclusively. So maybe that's something I just need to make a bit more clearer in future videos. But yeah, I'm just saying in terms of like the impact Sword Art Online had, Attack on Titan had, No Game No Life had, like those were names that people were talking about left, right, up, and down. Hence why I mentioned those are the savior anime, because people were swearing their lives to it, I guess. But regardless if that means they were good or not, that's up to you, I guess. Anyway, I've been talking for a while now. I need to upload this video, because I haven't uploaded a video in almost 2-3 weeks since my last artist analysis. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for bringing me to 10K. I'll probably make another one either if I reach 50K or 100K. I'll see when I get there. If you like the video, like it, please. I like when the likes are up. And comment if you want. Comment. I don't usually respond to comments now since I'm so busy, but I do read them all. I always read them. What else can you do? Subscribe. Duh. You could always subscribe to my channel. I would very much appreciate it. I already mentioned my social media accounts there in the description. My Instagram, my Twitter, my Patreon, my Twitch that I still need to use eventually. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.